welcome back to Simply Your Makeup. In today's video, our item is I am focused. I have an accent. I am focused. The second I am is I am valuable. I am valuable. I picked those two because we're heading into the new year. And I want you to know that you are valuable and stay focused. You are valuable and stay focused. So this is our two I am today. I am focused. I am valuable. Simply You Makeup is doing today's video is all about the drugstore. So I'm going to start with the Vaseline that I put on my lips while I do my eyeshadow look. So Vaseline, drugstore. This is going to be an all drugstore makeup look. Everything I use today is going to be drugstore. Stick with me, watch as I do this video and see if there is anything in there you like that you maybe want to try yourself. I am going to use the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. That will be the putty primer I'm using today. My next drugstore product is Elegil Pro Concealer and it is Toffee. I'm going to use that to base my eyes to put the eyeshadow on. Using this brush I bought from Walmart 4 years ago when I first started my YouTube channel. I'm using Wet n Wild Black Kohl eyeliner pencil to do my brows. I'm using Maybelline 355 Press Powder Foundation to set the concealer on my eyes. Using the same brush. This one is set, this one is not set. I will do that off camera. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Bite Size called Hot Jalapeno eyeshadow palette to create today's eye look. I'm starting with this color right here. I'm taking the lighter green and I'm putting it in the crease, my makeup crease. I'm just tapping it in place. I'm going to go into this color right here. It's the darkest green in there, and I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to go right in the crease and the outer corner. Outer corner and the crease. I'm going into this color right here and I'm going to put it in the inner corner. So it's going to go here and over here. My drugstore brush. And this is a shimmer. I've used two mattes and this is a shimmer right here. I'm using CoverGirl eyeliner. It's liquid. I'm using e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer for under my eyes. I'm using a CoverGirl brush. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Pressed Foundation Powder in Hazelnut. I'm using an e.l.f. Kabuki brush. I always take too much in the beginning, so I have to lean forward. I have to lean forward and make sure it falls on the desk and not all over the place, because I'm always taking way more than I need. Now that I have hazelnut on, I know hazelnut is not the right shade, but I'm going to balance it with mocha in the same L'Oreal Infallible. I'm using an e.l.f. brush. The L'Oreal Infallible Pressed Foundation Powder, the shades are very, very far and few in between. So I have not been able to find my shade, but as you see, I am using this as a bronzer slash contour. The darker one, which is mocha. So that will bring back some warmth into my skin, because the hazelnut is just way too light. So I use it that way to balance everything. But I have not been able to find a shade in that L'Oreal Infallible. In the liquid one, I did have a shade, which was Cocoa. But for the pressed powder foundation, not yet. And I am no longer looking until I use these up. This is our drugstore makeup. I'm trying to use everything drugstore, including the brushes, because drugstore is affordable. Some drugstore stuff is affordable, not everything, because drugstore prices are going up. But if you're a beginner, or even though you're not a beginner and you're looking for stuff that you can use instead of going broke or spending too much or spending what you don't have, you can start with some drugstore stuff. There's some good stuff in the drugstore, not everything. I will not say everything, because there's some things that are just not ready. They're not good yet, but you can find some stuff. So this is how I balance the face. You see the difference? Before I just look all ghostly, now I look like I have a little bit of definition. I'm taking an Eco tool and I go into the same dark powder, and I'm going to take that, I'm going to do my nose. Bring back a little bit of something back to the face. I'm using the black kohl pencil from Wet n Wild that I did my brows with. I'm using it to do my under eye eyeliner. Dollar Store sponge. My blush is from Ulta. I hope Ulta is considered a drugstore brand. It's called the Trio. I'm going to use this one right here. Anytime you see me looking this way, it's my magnified mirror. I love blush, so I always put a lot because my little oily skin drinks it up. So I put a lot so I can see it all day long. I have the Essence Lash Princess, and this one is the volumizing one. Mascara. Brand new. I just love the one. It is so small, just right for my little eyes. I had the other one I used to death. And then I've been using others, but I have these new ones that I need to use. So I pull it out today for the drugstore makeup look. And the one is perfect, like I say, very, very small and just right, you know. I'm using a brown Wet n Wild eyeliner as a lip liner, brown. I'm not sure what color, lip color I'm going to put, but I'm using a brown pencil anyways. I have Black Radiance and I have Milani lipstick. I'm thinking of this one. I'll swatch for you to see. This is Black Radiance. This is Milani. And I'll swatch right here so you can see. I don't know which one to use. I don't know which one to use. These two colors right there, they're not the same, they're not close. But you see, Milani, Black Radiance. It is a tough pick. I'm going to try this red. Why do I think the red? Pick in the comments. Just put something in the comments before you see what I add or what I wear. Okay, Black Radiance. I'm using NYX setting spray to spray my face. You are valuable, you are focused. We are marching into 2024 focused and know our value. So I am focused, I am valuable. Let us remember that as we step into 2024. Stay focused, know your value. This complete eye look is all drugstore products. Every single thing I use today is from the drugstore. Drugstore products are good, they are affordable. There are some that are not as good as others, but do your shopping, do your research, find the right ones that work for you. And if that works for you, don't need high-end anything. If you can't afford high-end, don't buy high-end. But you can watch people who have high-end and enjoy their videos. Call it window shopping. You know what I mean? We window shop the nice and pretty things and take the joy of watching that, but don't go looking for it if you don't have the coins. This green look, while I was doing the eye makeup, close to the end, it was like, you know what, 2024 is right around the corner. Let's think green, money, 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 money. And then nature, green, nature, money and nature. Go out there, work, make your money, and also remember to spend some peaceful time out in nature. You don't have to go hiking or go climb a mountain. Just go to the park, you know, take a short walk in your neighborhood. You're out in the elements. It is good for the soul. I am focused. I am valuable. This is how I am today. Remember that you are not alone. Tough times comes, but tough times leave. Program yourself with your ayams and your prayers and your meditations and your yoga or whatever it is that you do. So when these times come, you are ready because you've been banking all these good things in you. Consider them money you're banking. So when that day shows up, you're like, you know what? I am valuable. I am focused. And then add more IAMs to it and defeat whatever it is standing in your way. I pray that you have a joyous, happy, blessed, prayerful, thankful, grateful 2024. Let us start it with prayer and gratitude, and let us continue to move forward. It is right here, right upon us. I know we have put stuff off in 2023 and we say, you know what? We will wait until next year to do it. Now next year is knocking at our door. Did we do the things we said? Maybe not. Did we do some? Maybe we did. But this year we can do more. 2024 we can do more. Let us add a little bit more steps into the right directions and work on our dreams, and that might be your health. If 2024 is the year you want to work on your health, do that. 2024 is the day you want to go for that promotion at work, go for it. 2024 is the year you decide to take a vacation because you have not taken a vacation in a long time. Do that. And when I say vacation, I'm not saying you have to go pay for a big ticket, go somewhere expensive. You can take a vacation and stay home and do nothing. Or you can rent a hotel not too far by if you have the funds and spend a couple days there by yourself, just to refresh. You work hard, refresh. Don't overspend. Think of what you're buying. Think of the things that are necessary. Think of the things that are important. But also think of the things that bring you joy. I love an eyeshadow palette. So I don't buy them often, but when there is one that catch my eyes and I can afford it, I get it. So remember, little things, big things, it's what you can afford. Go for it. If you can afford it, go for it. Enjoy life because life is short. See how quick this year went by? We're already into another year. Let us remember to be thankful, be grateful, give praise, give thanks, and do what works for us. I will see you again. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I will see you in the next video. Peace, love, joy, happiness, health, money, prosperity for the new year 2024. I give all of this up to the heavens and let's see what rains down on me. Do the thing, stay focused. Yeah. This is the look for today. Money and nature, green. Let's do something different in 2024 that we did not do in 2023. Bye.